I think I found the best way to fix a bad car battery. This is date code of 2022, and those are the specs for the battery. This battery would charge up to 12.5 volts. You'd go to start the car and it would click, and then it would go down to like 10 volts. So this balanced charger, which is for RC cars of all things, is what fixed it. Not a normal car battery charger with a desulfator on it. I tried the desulfator for a couple days, wouldn't work. So I got on here. You see how it says 6S right there? That basically means it's a 12 volt battery. I set it to 8S and maxed out the amps to 5 amps and put it on the charger. I also had to go through the settings and change, there's a timer. I turned off the actually no, that's for discharging. But I put it on there and I forced it to charge. And the voltage went up to like 15 volts while charging. And it was making some sizzling noises. Battery got like a tiny bit warm. But once it did that like 2 or 3 times. And now I've pulled 6 amp hours off this battery, and it's still at 12.6 volts. It started at like 12.9 volts. And that's better than the rated capacity on there. That's the reserve capacity, which basically is how long a battery will go pulling 25 amps before it gets down to 10.5 volts. So that's 95 minutes. I did the math, it's about 6,000 milliamp hours. It's over that, and it's nowhere near 10.5 volts. Still at 12.6 volts, which is really good. I also like it that it shows you the number. So right now I'm discharging it, so I'm seeing the capacity of the battery. In the beginning, it was at 200. Like at 200 milliamp hours, the battery would go from 12.5 to like 9 volts. Now it's pulled 6,200 milliamp hours or 6.2 amp hours, and it's still at 12.6 volts. And it's been running for 479 minutes. Yeah, this guy gets hot because it's taking all the power from the battery and turning it into heat. There. Dang, that's hot. Yeah, it's got a temperature on there. Let's see. Capacity cut off. Safety timer off. That's so I could continue on without it turning off.